In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the delete task in the Base44 app. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in the interface to access recently deleted tasks, which is really helpful if you're trying to review or restore items that were removed. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace and you're looking at the main app view. From here, the place you want to start is the dashboard. Look toward the main navigation area, usually on the left side or top of the screen, and click on Dashboard. This is your central hub in Base44, where you can access different parts of your app, including your data and entities. Once you're on the dashboard, the next thing you need to do is open the Data section. Find and click on the option labeled Data. This section is where Base44 organizes all of the information and entities that power your app. Think of it as the back-end storage area where tables, collections, and records live. By going into data, you're telling Base44 that you want to work with the underlying items, like tasks, rather than just the visual interface. Inside the data area, look for the entity called task. This might appear in a list of entities or tables, depending on how your app is set up. Click on Task to open it. This will show you all the records related to your tasks, including active ones and, eventually, access to items that have been deleted. It's important to select the correct entity here, especially if your app uses several different types of data. Now that you're viewing the task entity, you'll need to open the More Options menu. Look for an icon with 3 dots, often called the Kebab or More menu. This is usually located near the top right of the task view or next to the title of the entity. Click on these 3 dots. This menu is where Base44 hides additional tools and views that aren't shown by default. So it's a good place to remember whenever you're looking for extra options. In the menu that appears, look for an option labeled Recently Deleted and click on it. This will take you to a view that shows tasks that were deleted recently. From here, you can review what's been removed and, depending on your app's configuration, possibly restore or permanently clear those items. And that's all you need to do to find the delete task area